Hey everyone, welcome back to Secure 7, and this is Module 3, Part 1 of our course, Learn Website Hacking Penetration Testing from Scratch. We're now entering a very exciting phase, information gathering, also known as reconnaissance. In this video, we're starting with one of the most basic and important tools you'll ever use as an ethical hacker, WHOIS Lookup. Before we attack any website, we need to know what we're dealing with. That's where information gathering comes in. We collect as much publicly available data about our target as we can. Things like who owns the domain, when was it registered, what IP address does it resolve to, where are the name servers located. This is all passive recon, meaning we don't touch the website or interact with the server directly. We're just looking at public records, and one of the best places to start is with a WHOIS lookup. Is basically a database of domain registration information. Every time someone buys a domain name like secure7.in or example.com, they have to register it with details like their name, email address, registrar name, date of registration, expiry date, DNS name servers. WHOIS lets you query that data and see who owns what. It's like doing a background check on a domain. All right, let me show you how to actually use WHOIS in real life. If you're using Kali Linux, just open your terminal and type bash whois example.com. You'll get a whole bunch of information like domain name, registrar info, registration and expiration dates, contact emails sometimes, name servers, IP address if DNS is exposed. This tells you who registered the site and maybe even when they last updated it. And sometimes you'll even find email addresses or technical contacts, which can help you with social engineering in legal bug bounties, of course. Now you might be asking, okay, cool, but how does this help in hacking? Here's the deal. Knowing the domain registrar can help you understand how secure their backend might be. If the domain is linked to other sites, you can discover related targets. If the WHOIS data is public, you might find email addresses or organization names. If the domain just recently changed hands, it could mean a new system or a vulnerable transfer. Think of WHOIS as your digital footprint tracker. You start seeing patterns. And patterns lead to targets. Now, keep in mind, WHOIS isn't always perfect. A lot of domains now use privacy protection services. So instead of showing personal info, they show a generic registrar like WHOIS Guard Protected or Private by Namecheap. Also, the GDPR privacy laws in the EU hide personal info in many cases. But still, even partial WHOIS data is valuable in the recon phase. Screen recording showing real domain lookup. Let me give you a real-world example. Let's look up the domain bash.whoistesla.com. Pause for live output. As you can see, it gives us the registrar, Mark Monitor Inc., domain status, dates of creation and expiration, the name servers being used. We didn't even touch the website, and we already have good intel. Let's recap. WHOIS is a great starting point for gathering domain-related info. It shows us who owns a domain, when it was registered, and what servers it uses. It helps us map targets and plan our next recon steps. This is passive, legal, and super useful. That's it for part 1 of information gathering. In the next video, we'll explore more recon tools like Lookup, the Harvester, and how to find subdomains, all without ever touching the target directly. So hit that like button, subscribe to Secure 7, and leave a comment if you're enjoying this course. This is Parth, and you're watching Learn Website Hacking Penetration Testing from Scratch. See you in the next lesson.